They say walking the steps actually gives you a lot of strength and energy, and I completely believe in that. But also, there is one more saying. They say also smile is infectious, and that was a reality when I saw one infectious smile which gives you good health, and that is none other than our Presidency University's head HR. She's got a very, very infectious smile. Look at that. Samina is her name, smiling lady Samina. Samina, I have given you the proper build up. When is my payment?
You mean in the form of health and wellness? Yes.
There you go. Smile with intelligence. That is why she is the head HR. But it is her initiative.
Thanks, Naveen. Those are huge words coming from you. Thank you so much. Really happy that the DSA helped us in this initiative. In fact, partnered with us in this initiative and set up the whole thing, which is commencing today. I feel health and wellness is an extremely important part of our life, and being professionals, we are so tied and bound by work through the day that we do not take care of ourselves. So I think we should take a couple minutes off every week, every day, in fact, just to breathe in. Sometimes just let go of all our worries, bring us into ourselves, actually speaking, and just stay calm, because there are so many things just chaotic in our brain every day. So I think it's nice to calm down and just restore that faith and hope and calmness that one really needs in their chaotic lives.
Definitely, and also she was the one who named it Harmony, and today we are inaugurating the Harmony here for all the Presidency University faculty members, and also not just faculty members, even the support staff. Everybody is getting participated in this, and they're maintaining that best health. But Samina maintains her health with so much pressure around, with just one smile. How could you manage this, Samina, with so much pressure, because it's such a big university and you manage it so well?
I think I mirror the smiles of my colleagues. Okay. I think it is more of that. If everyone is around is happy, I think I feel happy about it. Of course, there will be highs and lows, ups and downs. We deal with a lot of it. Being in the HR, the team has been really supportive, and I think everyone's support around is what keeps me really happy.
Fantastic. And also, this is just the inauguration, and every week there is going to be Harmony classes that's going to happen. Today we're starting off with yoga with Arunji there, and also we do have Zumba classes. We also have a lot of aerobic exercises. But what does Samina really like? Yoga, Zumba, or push-ups, or bungee jumping?
Anything that helps me move out of my regular movement. Anything that helps me feel happy, actually. Just energize yourself and just be in the moment and that kind of stuff. So nothing very specific, but anything that I love dancing. I love singing because it sort of opens up my soul. So those are things that I generally do. I dance with my son. So that really keeps me very energetic.
So sweet. So her son's name is Samir, and
Samir, yeah.
yes, and I'm sure Samir beats you in every dance move.
He does.
But the reason for why we were so involved in this is because Presidency University is not just about work, not just about studies and everything. We do also take care of health and benefits also, especially during these times, during COVID-19 times, where Samina's and the whole HR department's initiative was Harmony. But actually, just to conclude this off, how important is health, we all know. But what do you have to say for people who's behind the camera, standing like our very own friend who's standing behind the camera? People like him are many. I will not mention his name, don't worry. But like that people, how do you have to say? Because with your smile, if you say, it will motivate them.
No, not at all. I think the person behind the camera is also quite healthy, and it doesn't.
No, that is a HR line.
Not at all. It doesn't mean that I am healthier than him or I'm healthier than you. It all depends on what our thought processes are. It all starts from there, and staying positive and having the right perception and attitude in life is what really matters, and that affects our brain, that affects everything that we do around us, and finally what we mirror upon ourselves.
No, the reason I asked is because what inspires an individual to just keep on doing that every day in and out, to maintain his body?
I think the joy for life. I think the joy for life is what really pushes me, and the inspiration to see the world, probably.
Right. And the world sees us.
I'm not really worried about what the world sees in me, but I'm hoping that I get to see the whole world. So to live as long as I can see the world.
So sweet.
That may be something that inspires me to stay fit, and I hope everybody else does the same.
So stay fit, travel the world. RT-PCR tests are
travel the
required.
world. Travel the world.
RT-PCR tests are required, so it's okay. Travel the world and stay fit. Your reports will be negative. Yes, right, Samina?
I hope so, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I really thank all the members who joined us today. It's such a happy thing to note, and I'm sure this crowd will increase week on week.
Very true. Very true. It will
All
do.
the very best to you too.
Thank you so much, Samina.
DSA team.
Thank you so much, Samina, and also the whole HR department and the whole DSA team and the whole Presence University definitely will be putting out more videos. Please do keep watching our videos, and of course, the man behind the camera is a very, very talented man. I just pulled his leg. He's my very close buddy. Thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you so much.
Yes, so that was our head HR, the smiling lady of Presence University, Samina. But Samina is initiating this, but who was the man that we saw in the videos who was performing all the yogasanas and teaching every faculty here? That is none other than our Associate Professor of SOM, Mr. Arun Khatri ji. अरुण जी, क्या कराया आपने सुबह सुबह, मतलब सबको चौंका दिया और सबको मतलब हिला के रख दिया आपने. तो आपके बारे में कुछ बताइए, आपने योगा कब से चालू किया सीखना?
सर मैं लगभग 10-12 साल से योगा कर रहा हूँ, और योगा भी मेडिटेशन भी. तो बेसिकली ये चुकाने वाली चीज़ें नहीं हैं, ये चीज़ें हैं अपने अंदर आने की, अपने आप को पहचानने की, नेचर के साथ एक होने की. तो इसमें चुकाने जैसा कुछ नहीं है, बट सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत ये है जब हम खुद अपने अंदर जाते हैं तो चौंक जाते हैं
और थोड़ा हिल जाते हैं.
तो स्टेबल होने के लिए हिलना ज़रूरी है, और ये चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी थी कि हम लोगों को बताएं कि इस कोविड टाइम में, पेंडेमिक टाइम में आपकी हेल्थ बहुत ज़रूरी है, आपका मेंटल पीस बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो इन दोनों चीज़ों को देखते हुए, और जैसे हमारे HR ने इनिशिएटिव लिया है, इट विल हेल्प एवरीबडी. It will help everybody who can come here and practice these things. So entire week, entire day they will feel energetic. तो इससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा मेंटली भी और फिजिकली भी.
परफेक्ट. और योगा के साथ साथ ये भी होगा कि मतलब आपका जो भी है अंदरूनी ताकत, आप उसको महसूस कर सकते हैं और अच्छा क्रिएटिविटी काम में भी लगा सकते हैं, है ना जी?
बिल्कुल. देखिए सर कि आप कुछ स्टेजेस हैं. एट फर्स्ट स्टेज यू फील, आप एक स्ट्रेचिंग एक्सरसाइज करते हो, आप इलास्टिक फील करते हो, बॉडी से टेंशन चली जाती है, तो पूरा टाइम आपके पास एनर्जी रहती है. सेकंड स्टेज कम्स व्हेन यू फील स्टेबल कि यस आई एम डेवलपिंग सम पावर फ्रॉम इनसाइड, तो वो आपको बीमारियों से भी बचाती है. तो इसका हम सीधा कोई एक लिंक नहीं बता सकते, बट whoever does yoga and meditation, they know that how important they are for their body and mind, both things.
परफेक्ट. और इसके साथ अरुण जी की टीम में और एक लेडी भी थी, उन्होंने आज थोड़ा हाथ दे दिया, उनमें घर में कुछ पूजा है उनका, तो वो उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए, उनके योगा के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Yes, she is I'll say she has attained some perfection in body yoga, right? And she is the master of the stretching exercises, and in the coming time we'll see her, and we'll see her performing, and we'll see her teaching all the staff here.
So this was just the inauguration of Harmony initiated by the HR department of Presence University, but we will be having Arun Khatri ji doing a lot of asanas throughout the month, because every 15 days once he's going to teach our faculty members of how to go forward in that next 15 days. 15 दिन के बीच में अगर आपके स्टूडेंट्स ने कुछ भूल गए तो पनिशमेंट तो नहीं देंगे ना आप बाद में?
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल. इट इज लाइक प्रैक्टिसिंग एट योर ओन स्पीड. वी कैन टीच देम हाउ नॉट टू हार्म योर बॉडी एंड हाउ टू सी take benefit from these exercises, and then they can practice from home, so there is no such issue.
That is what. So that is why we've named it as Harmony. That does not cause harm to your body. That is Harmony. Thank you, Arun ji.
Thank you. Have a nice day and have good health.